So we've all seen the DJI Mini 5 Pro leaks, the box shots, the spec sheets, all that early juicy stuff, but here's what most people aren't talking about. This Mini might be stepping so far up in weight, features, and price that it's basically knocking on the Air Series door. And if that's true, it could seriously shake up how we pick our next drone. The Mini 5 Pro, once pitched as the travel-friendly option, might not be so mini anymore. If the leaks are right, it could tip past 250 grams and creep into a price range dangerously close to the Air 3S. For years, the Mini's biggest superpower wasn't just portability, it was staying under 249 grams. That meant no registration in many countries and fewer restrictions when flying. But if the Mini 5 Pro breaks that limit, you're suddenly in the same regulatory boat as Air 3S pilots. And for the buy it for travel freedom crowd, that could spark a new question: why not just go bigger? Feature-wise, the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to bring a 48mm medium tele mode, LiDAR obstacle avoidance, 4K at 120 FPS, and a 1-inch sensor. The Air 3S already has forward-facing LiDAR, plus a dual camera setup, wide plus tele, and impressive low-light performance. A rumored 1-inch sensor on the Mini 5 Pro might be on par with the main camera of Air 3S, but remember, it's still a single camera. The Air 3S gives you two, a 1-inch and a 1/1.3-inch CMOS, each with different focal lengths, a big advantage for storytelling and framing. Take away the Mini's weight advantage and it really comes down to this. Do you want one versatile camera or two physical lenses that give you more native framing options? Battery life? Mini 5 Pro could hit 36 minutes standard, maybe 45 with the plus battery. The Air 3S clocks in at up to 45 minutes too, but with more power, better wind resistance, and higher top speeds. And because it's heavier, around 720 grams, with beefier motors, the Air 3S is simply more stable in tougher conditions. Price is where things get interesting. The Mini 4 Pro launched around $759. If the Mini 5 Pro creeps up to $900, it's practically rubbing shoulders with the Air 3S. And at that point, a lot of buyers might just go for the bigger, more capable drone. So, is the Mini 5 Pro still the obvious travel pick, or is it about to blur the lines with the Air series? Drop your thoughts below. I'm curious where you stand. Thanks for watching. Peace.